The Fanuc a06b-6055-h208 is a fairly large customized spindle drive which came out of an Okuma LB20 turning lathe. We have worked with this customer for years, keeping his Okuma running, and this spindle drive with assorted output is just another repair for this customer. We replaced all the outputs on the output stage and fully rebuilt all the other subassemblies before we attached it to our Fanuc spindle motor, which is shown in the video. These spindle drives are fairly hardy, so we expect not to see this driver again for at least 5 or 6 years after this repair, if ever at all. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.